So we have an Italian feast from Brooklyn, L&B Spumoni Gardens. That's one of the rigatoni bolognese. That's number one. Here's number two. Cause it takes two to make a thing go right. It takes two to make an out of sight. You know what song I was listening to, Jen? Louder Than Love, you know, TKA. I'm gonna do a cover of that one later tonight. There's Ravioli number one. Louder than love, that's what we were. We were louder than love. Nice. That's some meatballs. It's about 10 meatballs. And we couldn't stay together. Like, why are you singing it, Paul? Let me just look at the food. If we could go back in time, back to the days when I was skinny. Not skinny no more. When my wife met me when I was younger, I was skinny. That's eggplant rollatini. Go ahead. Mozzarella and carrozza. Very good. Rice balls. Whoa, more rice balls. More raviolis. Nice. Okay, we got the pizza. That's the famous square pizza pie. This is L&B Spumoni Garden. This is not Brooklyn Square. Now, Brooklyn Square is good, but this is the real deal. This is the real deal. Beautiful. Then we got the Caesar salad. I got two of those, and I got the extra Caesar dressing. This is the best Caesar salad in the world. And you got number two. And I think they gave us extra Caesar. Thank you. I think they gave us extra Caesar dressing, honey.
Yes, they did. That's what my
Oh, it's right over there. It's in that container. Beautiful. Got some Parmesan cheese. Got sauce. Got extra Caesar. That's the Parmesan. And there's the Caesar. Beautiful.
What's that?
Caesar. That's extra Caesar dressing. It looks chunky, but it's delicious.
Oh my God.
Man, that is like stuff that you faint on the floor. It's so good. Awesome. Let's eat. Yeah, I got spumoni and cream alata.